Good morning, my students of class 4. Today we are going to learn our subject value education. Students, see, there is a small plant in the picture and you can easily take that plant out. But if there is a big tree, can you take out? No, because tree is big and so heavy. Today we will see same thing in this lesson, and that example is for when we have some bad habits, we have to remove them when they are small, but when they will get big, we cannot remove them. As like jumbo tree, we cannot remove our old big habits also. So let us see our lesson here. Lesson number 8. Pull them out. Teaches us life skill. Check your habits. Road ahead. Anything that we do repeatedly becomes our habit. Character is the sum total of our habits. The more time we spend on a habit, the stronger it becomes. Check your habits. Spend time on good habits so that they become stronger. Listen the story, nice story. Once upon a time, in the city of Varanasi, there lived a wealthy man, Ghanshyam. He had huge wealth, but his only son, Hemant, was spoiled brat with many bad habits. Often Ghanshyam felt sad thinking about his son's future. One day, Ghanshyam requested an old scholar to win his son away from his bad habits. The scholar took Hemant for a stroll in the garden. Stopping suddenly, he asked the boy to pull out a tiny plant growing there. The young boy held the plant between his thumbs and forefinger and pulled it out. The old man then asked him to pull out a slightly bigger plant. The youth pulled hard and the plant came out along with the roots. Now pull out that one, said the old man, pointing to a bush. The boy had to use all his strength to pull it out. Now take this one out, said the old scholar, indicating tree. Hemant grasped the trunk and tried to pull it out, but the tree would not move. It is impossible, said the boy, panting with effort. So is it with bad habits, said the old scholar. When they are new, it is easy to pull them out, but when they take hold, they become very difficult to be uprooted. The walk with the old scholar in the garden changed the boy's life. He realized that it was the right time for him to give up his bad habits before they grow on him. So, nice story. And one thing we have been learned here, that how can we remove bad things, bad habits, bad things. When they are small, we have to remove that. When they will get grown up and when they will become big, we cannot remove them. Reflections of stories are: habits start by being too weak to be felt and end up becoming too strong to get out of. Good habits are hard to practice but easy to live with. Bad habits come easy but are hard to live with. We should check our habits early in life so that we can uproot all bad habits and practice only the good ones. See the making in its simple meaning. 1. Character. means mental and moral qualities of an individual. Number 2, brat, a badly behaved child. 3, scholar, a highly educated person. 4 is win, makes someone give up a bad habit. 5, stroll, means walk. 6, grasp, means hold firmly. 7, panting, taking short quick breaths. 8, uprooted, move something from the root. Fill in the blanks, know your lesson. Fill in the blanks with correct words. 1, the wealthy man's son was a spoiled brat. 2, Ghanshyam requested an old scholar to win his son away from his bad habits. Number 3, Hemant was unable to pull out the tree. 4, when bad habits are new, it is easy to pull them out. 5, when bad habits take hold, they become very difficult to be uprooted. Write T for true and F for false statement. 1, character is the sum total of our habits. It is true. 2, Ghanshyam felt happy thinking about his son's future. False. Hemant pulled out the bush very easily. False. Hemant tried to pull the tree but it did not move. True. Bad habits come easy but are hard to live with. True. There are life exercises that you try to solve that are useful for your habit, your life, good habits and bad habits. We all have some bad habits. And some good habits. At least 3 of you, your good habits and 3 bad habits that you have to do, because you know your bad habits and good habits. Then good habits are hard to practice but easy to live with. Bad habits come easy but are hard to live with. Explain in your words. If you have any bad habits, you can explain that. Observe the people around you, in your family, friends, and what are some of the bad habits that people have. You write that also. Why do you think these people find it difficult to give up their bad habits? It may be difficult, but it is not impossible to give up the bad habits. With a strong willpower and self-discipline, one can give up all bad habits. Over.